Hey everyone, so out with Sarren, back there somewhere, and Gia. We've literally just left the house and it starts to spit with rain, which probably means it's going to rain in a minute, which means it's picked a really terrible time to come for a walk. I've kind of left it and left it and left it. Come on. And left it. And now, good girl. Now it's a terrible time. Hopefully it stopped actually. Look. So that's how deep, that's how much it rained, and that's gone down a lot. I think it went over the top yesterday, didn't it? Over the top of the bridge. It's never done that before, ever. That's how much rain there's been. And that's not too bad. Hey Gia?
Didn't Dad tell you not to look at rain? Literally the minute we just left.
Yeah.
Tell you what color it is, whatever. There's a giant red flag.
Ah, that's alright.
Dad told you not to do.
Anyway, wet. Hopefully it won't rain while we're out, Gigi and Squirgle. So, you had gymnastics today, Sarren. How'd you get on?
Well,
what did you do? Gymnastics, yeah. Gymnastics today, Sarren. How'd you get on?
well. I did well.
You did well. What did you do at gymnastics today?
Do I really have to say?
Yeah?
Really?
No, you don't have to. You don't have to do anything. Well, there's lots of things you have to do, but no, you don't have to speak if you don't want to. Right. You in a grump, Sarren?
A little bit.
Why are you in a grump?
Because it looks like it's about to pour down hell.
Because it looks like it's about to pour down hell. Come on. Grumpy! Grumpy, grumpy, grumpy. He stormed off, look. He stomped off, look. What's that? That's a sheep or
There's someone behind you.
goat by, is there?
Yeah.
With a dog?
Yeah.
We'll keep going then.
2 dogs actually.
Is
Giant,
it?
big, black dogs.
Oh, wonderful.
Right, straight on we go.
No, we'll go this way.
No. That's the field then.
Yeah. Come on. Come on.
This
Go on, G.
ranch.
Yes.
Come on, Gia.
Come on, G. Come on, puppy.
Stop smelling.
Come on, Gia.
Gia.
Gia, what are you scared of? Just decided that she doesn't want to walk this way for some reason. What are you scared of, G? What are you worried about, G? Why are you all sketchy? Hey?
Yeah.
Ah! G! That's Gia through my legs. What are you doing, you nutter? You go through my legs, Gia. You silly puppy.
No, more money.
Come on. Ah, it is. The ground's very soft. So it's not raining yet, but it might rain.
Today.
Hey, you having fun, Gia? You've got a very waggy tail. You've got a very waggy tail. You've been out today. What are you doing, G? What are you doing? What are you tracking, hey? What have you got the scent of? What have you got the scent of that's making you happy? Hey? What is it, Gia? What is it, Gia? Hey, puppy? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. What can you smell, hey? What is it, Gigi? What do you reckon, Sarren?
She's making...
No, you are. What are you doing? What you found, Gia? Huh? Something. That would be nice. So Gia's super happy.
She smells the scent.
Smelt the scent of something that's making her prance, which is adorable when she prances. She's like a proper little puppy that's giant, a giant puppy. She like springs around like a giant, I don't know, it's just crazy. It's adorable. But she's definitely caught the smell of something. Look. Hey, what you found? What you found? Hey, what have you found, Gia? Which way are you going to take me? Huh? You want to go that way? This way, G. What's that way?
There are loads of hundreds of those spiky things on our collar.
Come on. Goodness me, there are. Look, getting all the spikes off her collar because they go of the stupid plants.
Would you please hold this?
Yes, hold on. Hang on, I'll do it. You hold that and I'll get them off her.
Yeah.
It's alright, G. There.
Right, we're going this way. Nothing but rain for the past 3 days.